Well, let's talk a little bit about the clock and the Action Center. If I click on the clock here, you'll see, of course, what you would expect to see, a clock and calendar. Down here, I can either have this agenda hidden or not hidden. This is my Microsoft calendar. By the way, it is possible to synchronize your Microsoft calendar and your Google calendar. I'll let you look that up and Google it if you want to do that. But I can add events to my calendar here, just like that. It's not immediately obvious how I can change the time and date. However, if I right-click down here, I have Adjust Date Time, so that I can make those settings changes, as well as some other changes, region, language, and so on. Let's move on to the Action Center. I'm going to click this guy, and at the top we have any notifications from apps that come in. I don't have any showing right now. And then down here we have something called the action buttons. So for example, tablet mode. If I click tablet mode, and then I go over here and click Start, you see that we're now in tablet mode, which I'm not fond of, so I'm going to turn that off. Even on my tablet, I don't use tablet mode. I just don't like it, but that's just me. You may not know this, but you can add things to this. If I right-click here, you'll see I have an Edit button, so I can add things and then click When Done. So now I can unpin these things as well. I'll just click Done right now. So we do have that option as well. That's how I would configure the Action Center, which I did not highlight, by the way, in my notes. I better do that now. All right, so those are really the two parts of this Action Center. It used to be a while back that the Action Center took us to something called Security and Maintenance in the control panel. This was in Windows 7 that it did that. So System and Security and Security and Maintenance. It actually took us to this page in the control panel in previous versions, like Windows 7 as an example. But now it's just the Action Center. Alright, we're going to take on Windows Peak and the desktop next time, so we'll see you in the next video.